Ultra Russian Lovers, selamat pagi Russian Lovers. Today Friday September 2, 2022. Sekarang hari Jumat 2 September 2022. I'm preparing for our lunch for couple days, for weekend especially. Jadi saya sedang mempersiapkan masakan untuk kita libur besok ya, 2 hari itu. So this one is kambala fish. Kalau di Indonesia itu namanya ikan pari ya. Already spiced with this I use lemon juice, air jeruk lemon. Kemudian yang ini spices for fish. Ini khusus untuk ikan. Meanwhile, I already prepare for this meatball, chicken turkey meatball. Ini saya lagi membuat bakso ya, bakso ayam kalkun juga. This is for spices, this is for meatball. This is I'm going to make for meatball. I'm going to try this one, this special meatball bowler that we bought from AliExpress. Ini yang untuk membulat-bulatkan bola-bola daging ya, yang kita beli ukuran besar, ini ukuran kecil. And also I'm preparing for making sambal terong eggplant chili sauce. This one is chili, but the taste is not spicy. So that's all. This one we bought from Globus apa namanya, special Carzina, or what do you call that one, special rack, cheaper one, but it's not so cheaper. We thought it is hot, but it's not hot, but it's okay. So this one is easy, onion, and this one only in it, and salt and sugar, garam, gula, kemudian cabai, bawang bombay. Kalau pakai bawang merah juga oke ya, karena di sini mahal bawang merah. This one already soak into salt water. Ini saya sudah rendam di air garam. I will fry, but not so deep fry, just at a glance. Jadi saya akan goreng ini ya. Nanti kita akan bikin sambal terong. Okay. I still have nasi daun jeruk, lime leaf rice in refrigerator, so I think it's enough. Right, put into cold water and take this. Ini ya. Nah, seperti itu. Lucu ya. Okay, next we make the try the biggest one. This is already hot water, I think. Biggest one. Put into cold water. I don't know why not so pretty. Make like this. I think you have to get rid of the excessive, like this. I don't know, for me it's not so practice, but it's okay. We try. Kita coba. Then we make like that. This one, I don't know. So like that. I mean, it's not so beautiful compared with when you use hand. A bit long. Terlalu cantik ya. Okay, I think I'm going to use my hand only. Ini pakai tangan aja lebih cepat. Okay. Now I'm going to move. Okay, already. This one is okay. Nah, ini udah oke semua ya. Ini tinggal kita tambahkan ke sini. All you have to do, take this one and then put another one here. Put into cold water. Nah, yang bola-bolanya ini, bola-bola daging ayam kalkun ini tinggal ditaruh di air dingin ya, supaya dia kenyal. Nah, nanti ngasih bumbunya for put spices later when you want to eat. Otherwise it will be not good. Okay. Soon I'm going to fry my eggplants. Then I'm going to fry my sambal terong, eggplants, chili sauce. After that fish, this fish I'm going to fry. Okay. Ini aja. Mau pakai daging sapi silakan aja. Because like that. So by using that too, like this one, maybe I was wrong in using that. Mungkin saya salah menggunakan ya, tapi nggak salah metode. Maybe I just mistake in the technique how to use that one. I will try to find the right one, but I prefer this one by using hand passer. Jadi lebih cantik yang pakai tangan ya, dan lebih cepat. Okay. Nah, ini I'm going to use maybe for that one I will try this one for osna padilla supa. Saya akan membuat pakai yang ini, yang khusus untuk yang apa namanya, kuah yang seperti ini ya. Nggak tahu, mau dicoba aja. Going to try. Okay, so easy. Start to fry my plants. I think after this eggplants I will fry my fish. Jadi sesudah saya goreng terongnya, baru nanti saya goreng ikan, baru nanti kita nyambal. Jadi kita nggak banyak-banyak cucian, so we don't wash lots of plates. Here I'm still waiting for this broth become boiling. After boiling I will turn off. Ini kita tunggu sampai dia mendidih ya, jadi dia nanti meresap kuah yang dari daging-dagingnya meresap. Jadi ini bisa digunakan sebagai kuah bakso. So this broth we can use for meatball soup. So it's very delicious. Ini enak banget. Nah, ini bisa dibagi kalau belum mau dimakan. Ini dipisahkan dari kuah, kemudian difreezerkan. Setelah dingin difreezerkan. You can freeze this one after already cooked, then put into plastic per pack and then put into freezer. That's all. When you want to boil, you just cut slanted like this, not slanted, like cross this one, so it will be blooming. Jadi kalau mau makan nanti tinggal dibelah 4 seperti itu, tapi jangan putus. Jadi dia nanti mengembang baksonya. Oke. Yuk, bagaimana membalnya, ting ting ting. So flexible, see. Now I'm going to taste this. Enak banget loh. Ini bakso. Kelihatan kan? Sesudah dibelah, still hot, masih panas. Kenyal. It's very good. Ini enak banget. Ini mantap. Resep baksonya udah pernah saya share ya di YouTube saya, tinggal dilihat aja di playlist cuisine. You just have to check the recipe of chicken turkey meatball in my playlist culinary. Okay, together with sambal terong, together with eggplant chili. And my kambala fish ini udah selesai ya, ikan kambala saya udah digoreng. Dan ini eggplants, fried eggplants too already. Now I'm going this meatball too already too. Meatball soup already. There's still remaining. I will freeze that. Masih ada sisanya ya, yang sisa bakso itu akan saya bekukan. So here I'm going to take this because I cannot use this one for my chili sauce saute because there is a black one. So I had to get rid of. No need to wash, you just use napkin. So this one chili, onion, and this one tomato. That's all you need. Like sambal tumis. Jadi seperti sambal tumis aja. And then use salt and sugar. Gunakan garam sama gula. Baru kalau sesudah matang semua, nanti lihat aja di video saya sebelumnya ya. Ada yang tutorial sambal tumis. Nah, baru Sesudah matang yang cabenya ini, already cooked this one, chili, well cooked. Then you put tomato, baru kasih tomat. Sesudah tomatnya melebur semua, if already tomato already mix well, then you put salt and sugar, and then you have to taste. Baru dikasih garam dan gula, baru diicip-icip. You have shrimp taste, go ahead, it is good. By the way, I use additional chili flakes, hot chili, so it will enhance the spices, the hotness of this chili. Because I have this chili not so hot, it's like paprika, red paprika, but it's okay, at least my husband can eat that one. Okay, so this is the remaining. For remaining, I didn't cut into 4, just have to make it cool, and then I will put it in the freezer. If we want to eat noodles, then we eat with meatball. Okay, I think that's all. Actually, there is still 1 pack of Kambala there in my freezer, but later, because it's too much, it's already enough for a couple days. Okay, there is no water anymore in my chili. Now we are going to put this tomato. Sekarang kita akan kasih tomat ini semuanya ya. Baru kita kasih garam, gula, dan sesudah tomat kita kasih garam, gula. After that we put tomato and salt and sugar. Karena cabenya nggak pedas, jadi jangan khawatir. Sudah semuanya ini udah menyatu, baru nanti terakhir dimasukkan terongnya. Ini kelap-kelip lampu saya. Meanwhile, I make a ketchup manis, my own sweet soy sauce from soy sauce. This one, brown sugar. If you have palm sugar, go ahead. Kalau ada gula merah lebih bagus lagi, karena nggak ada, jadi pakai gula coklat aja kalau di Rusia. Kemudian kasih kayu manis, kasih cengkeh, kasih 1 siung bawang putih yang digeprek, kemudian kasih jahe, bubuk jahe sedikit. Then put a bit ginger, just a bit, and then cinnamon, just 1 cinnamon, and also cloves too, and 1 what do you call this one? I forgot. Garlic. You just smash 1 garlic, that's all. Then you will taste whether it is already enough for the sweetness or no. And plus water. Otherwise, if you made without water, it will be like when already cold, it will become thick and you cannot even eat that. Kalau nggak ditambah air, dia akan jadi permen gulali, ya. Jadi nggak bisa dimakan. Jadi tambahkan air secukupnya. Kalau misalnya kira-kira terlalu kurang, terlalu encer, ya bisa ditambahkan lagi ya. Kalau pakai gula merah lebih bagus lagi. Nah ini nanti akan saya pakai buat bikin sambal kecap. I will make for sweet soy sauce with tomato, garlic, and lime chili. Because my husband really like this one. Jadi ini pas banget dinikmati dengan ikan goreng. Mungkin akan bikin bakwan jagung juga ya. Maybe I will put bakwan jagung too, but let's see. Then put salt and sugar. See, so it will be balanced, sweet and sour. And salt. Kasih garam. That's all. Nggak usah pakai air ya. If you want to put water, you may but just a bit. Dia meresap. Tapi ini airnya banyak. Jadi tomatnya itu seperti ini. This great tomato you can eat directly because it's very delicious. Lots of flesh of the tomato here, lots. Jadi dagingnya banyak ya, dan ini enak banget dimakan gitu aja. Ini jenis yang bagus. So this how much already? 99 ruble if I'm not mistaken. Ini udah murah ya sekarang. Usually because now it's already autumn, usually vegetable fruit already getting cheaper. When near winter, then it will be much more cheaper. Kalau sudah mendekati akhir dari done, already melted, the tomato, salt and sugar already balance. Garam gula udah oke banget, udah saya cicip. Sekarang kita masukkan terongnya, but don't mix too long, just mix until all become united. Jadi seperti itu aja ya. Nah, kan enak banget. Ini bisa di-freezerkan loh. You can freeze this one. So when already cold, then put into package, per portion. So whenever you want, done. That's why when you make this eggplant, no need to make it so brown, otherwise it will be fragile. Done. Okay, udah selesai. Gampang kan? Ini kecap manisnya udah oke, udah boiling, already boiling, it means done. Okay, I think that's all for my recipe today. Sambal terong, eggplant chili sauce, sweet soy sauce, kambala fried fish, and meatball soup. What else? I think that's all. Dah. For bakwan jagung, for corn fritters, I will make it maybe tomorrow, maybe no, it depends. So like that. Jadi ini menu kita, menu kita untuk weekend. Jadi resepnya seperti ini, harus dicoba, enak banget dan bisa dijadikan stok. Jadi kalau nggak habis, jadi sebelum dimakan itu dibagi-bagi per porsi ya, supaya memudahkan. Jadi kalau kita kepengen makan sambal terong, udah ada, jadi yang semuanya disajikan. Nah, ini kambala fried fish. By the way, if you use spices from market, try to use not so much. It depends. You should measure whether how many portion of your fish and the spices. Otherwise, it will be too salty. But otherwise, it is very good spice. Jadi itu yang spices, bumbu khusus ikannya itu enak banget. Tapi bagi saya agak keasinan ya. Jadi mungkin nanti dikurangin, jangan 2 sendok makan, sekitar 1 sendok makan aja untuk sekitar 4 kambala. 1 tablespoon of fish spices for 4 or 5 kambala fish. Nah, ini juga ya, ini enak banget. Ini juga bisa di-freezerkan. Pisahkan dengan kuahnya separate. Okay, like that. Okay, I think that's all for today's menu. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to press notification button so you never miss our update video. Jadi jangan lupa untuk berlangganan, kemudian di-share, di-like, di-komen, dan ditekan tombol notifikasinya supaya kamu nggak ketinggalan video-video kami selanjutnya. That's stretch your Russian lovers. Sampai jumpa lagi Russian lovers. Paka-paka. Enak ya. Say to make corn fritters because outside is cold, so if there is still remaining, I'm going to keep for our lunch tomorrow. Jadi saya memutuskan untuk membuat bakwan jagung karena cuaca di luar itu dingin, enaknya makan gorengan. Nah, kalau ada sisa nanti saya akan taruh di kulkas ya, jadi nggak apa-apa lah, tinggal diangkatkan aja di microwave. So this one is from fresh corn, dari jagung segar satu, dipipil ya. So you just cut and then you bejek-bejek, you smash like this one, but not too smooth, but just ping 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 like that. That's all. And give onion, or if you have shallot, you may use shallot, and couples of garlic. Nah, bisa pakai irisan bawang merah, saya nggak ada, jadi bawang putih, bawang bombay aja cukup, diiris-iris kayak biasa, kemudian dikasih bawang putih yang udah dihaluskan seberapa banyaknya, suka-suka ya, mana yang kalau sukanya banyak-banyak. Kemudian give a spring onion. I don't have fresh spring onion, so I use dry spring onion. Jadi pakai daun bawang segar kalau bisa ya. Saya nggak ada, jadi bawang putih, daun bawang bubuk. And then you give coriander powder. What else? Salt, a bit salt, and if you like, you can use chicken stock powder. And what else? Black pepper powder too. merica hitam ya, suka mau merica putih nggak apa, karena di sini mahal merica putih, jadi merica hitam aja. Kemudian garam, kaldu ayam bubuk jika suka, kalau nggak suka di skip aja. Kemudian ketumbar bubuk, bubuk merica, kemudian kaldu ayam bubuk, apalagi ya, garam, dah itu aja. Nah, kemudian we mix all. If you have chili, use chili. You don't have, just skip. Or if you don't like, just skip. Then what we are going to do, we have to put that flour, rice flour, combined with all-purpose flour. Perbandingannya for the comparison of that one, it depends on your corn, how many corn you use. Tergantung ya, suka-sukanya. So rice flour to make it crispy. And also I want to put 1 egg because I want my corn fritters not hard to be eaten, but I want to be smooth. Jadi untuk tepung berasnya itu supaya dia membuat crispy, kita kasih air juga. We need also water, but just a bit of water, not too much. Kemudian tepung beras, tepung terigu biasa nanti digabung ya. Kemudian 1 telur, jadi dia empuk bakwan jagungnya ya. Okay. Meanwhile, we have a salty fish. I don't know, maybe I will fry, or if I'm lazy, I will not fry. It's for my husband, because he likes to eat that salty fish, dried salty fish. Mungkin saya akan goreng juga ya, apa namanya, ikannya itu, ikan asin suami saya itu. Nanti saya akan goreng. Ada yang bisa digoreng, ada yang nggak usah digoreng. Nah, jadi penambah cita rasa untuk makanan kita. Okay, so that's all. After that, I will show you. Then we fry after that. Nanti sesudah selesai saya mix semua, nanti saya akan goreng dan saya akan perlihatkan hasilnya. Okay. Start to fry like this. Kekentalannya seperti ini ya. Jadi dia nggak terlalu encer, nggak terlalu susah ambil adonannya. Nah, ini seperti ini, pas. Jadi so like this one. We will fry. By the way, like this, the fish from that I'm going to fry. I think I'm going to fry also like that. We'll fry by using rice flour, so it makes more crispy. Jadi untuk buatnya lebih crispy, kita pakai tepung beras. Udah gitu aja. I'm going to drink my yogurt. This blueberry, this is my favorite one, with blueberry. I'm going to give a bit of water because I'm going to mix with this Cavendish organic. This very delicious, enak banget loh. Oke. Ini saya akan minum yogurt blueberry, tapi akan saya tambahin air. Kemudian nanti saya kasih pisang Cavendish yang organik ya. Karena kita nemunya di harga yang murah, itu mantap, enak banget. Oke. Udah panas, sekarang kita akan jangan terlalu panas. Kita akan goreng 1 sendok aja, pipihkan. Ups. Jadi seperti itu. Jadi jangan terlalu besar, pipihkan seperti ini. Di minyak panas ya, tapi jangan terlalu panas ya, sedang-sedang aja. Nah, kalau nggak ada jagung segar, bisa pakai jagung kaleng. Sama aja, tapi memang lebih enak yang pakai jagung segar. If you don't have fresh corn, you may use the fresh, no, not fresh, I mean use corn in a can. It's okay too, but of course the fresh tastes good. I mean, for me it's good, better like that, karena dia ada crunchy-nya seperti itu, because you can eat the chunk of corn crisps like that. It's very delicious, enak banget. Oke, kita goreng sampai dia kecoklatan. We fry until it becomes golden brown and we turn over dan kita balik dan begitu seterusnya. Oke. Kita mamam dulu, ini enak banget loh. Hmm. 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 Nah, best choice. It's not advertisements, but I really like this brand. With this flavor, blueberry and strawberry I like. Jadi yang brand ini enak banget, terutama rasa blueberry sama strawberry itu enak. Ini udah selesai, nasi goreng lagi ya, bawaannya mantep banget. Kalau ada cabai enak nih, enak banget. Pakai cabai ini aja lah. Ini pakai cabai rawit anak, tema cabai rawit saya belum tumbuh. If you can find hot chili is very good. With this bakwan, to eat this corn fritters. Paling pas dimakan pas waktu lagi dingin-dingin kayak gini loh. Tunggu sampai dia kecoklatan ya. Ini udah oke lah coklatnya. Ya itu nanti saya akan dinginkan dulu, baru saya bersihkan ikan, baru goreng lagi. So we don't need lots of pan. So whenever you done with one pan, wash and then make it dry, then use again. Otherwise we will be stressed. No, I mean I will be stressed if I was too many, then we give up in cooking. So like that. So that's my tips how to make cooking become fun. Jadi supaya kita nggak pusing nyuci piring sesudahnya, kalau berganti-ganti teflon, panci, jadi satu panci aja udah selesai, pindahkan ke piring, baru dicuci teflonnya, baru diganti lagi, baru digunakan lagi. Sesudah dicuci dikeringkan, jadi dia kita menghemat tenaga kita untuk mencuci piring. Oke? Itu tips saya ya, supaya masak itu menyenangkan. Already done with my fried fish. Not fried fish, it's salty fish that I already fried. So this is the egg of that salty fish. No need to be washed because you can easily just like that eat just like that. But I want to fry that for my husband so it become crispy. Jadi ini ikan asin yang bisa langsung dimakan ya, tapi saya goreng aja supaya baunya nggak menyengat. Jadi ini bisa untuk dimakan suami saya kayak gitu aja, kayak cemilan. Oke? Dah. So next, so tomorrow I will show you what we gonna eat. Oke? Paka-paka. Jadi besok mungkin saya akan kasih lihat apa saja yang saya dan suami akan makan. Oke? Paka-paka. Acara lovers, selamat sore lovers. Today finally we eat our lunch in evening time. So this one meatball soup from chicken teriyaki, chicken turkey meatball. This is salad. This is orange. This is strawberry. This is loba, kimchi radish. This is fresh salty. This is koa. Okay, so this is chili but not hot. Jadi ini yang akan kita makan ya. Bakso, ayam kalkun. Nah, ini punya saya outside hot with rice vermicelli, salad. Ini itu sayuran ya, jeruk. Kemudian itu kimchi loba. Nah ini cabai tapi nggak beres. Okay, I think that's all. We are going to eat now. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to press notification button so you never miss our update video. Jadi jangan lupa untuk berlangganan, kemudian di share, di like, di komen, dan ditekan tombol notifikasinya supaya kamu nggak ketinggalan video kami selanjutnya. Stretchy Rasa Lovers, sampai jumpa lagi Rasa Lovers. Paka-paka. Enak banget. Kimchi is good if already couple days. Kimchi itu enak kalau sudah beberapa hari. Enak. There are 2 hot spices. In the morning I ate this hot spices, not hot now, it's hot. Kayaknya ada 2 jenis ya cabenya. Dari Babushka yang ini pedes. Yang satu saya makan pagi tadi nggak pedes. Karena